Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to another video on the Noba Motorsport channel. Today we're going to discuss one of our sponsors who we're very grateful for. They run the sports car sound and wheel sector. Okay, just to let you know, they sell various wheels and do sound installations. They also sell tires. Okay, so for anyone looking to buy tires at a good price, go to Instagram and search for sports car sound and wheels. Today I'll talk a bit more about it. We'll talk through the entire process and every wheel set we've had on this Audi A. Some of you have been following for a while and some are more recent. We'll share the history and all the wheel models on this car, including this BBS model. So let's start with the first set of wheels this car had. I'll share photos of the car with the wheels for you to see. The first set of wheels we had was in partnership with Instagram, right? With the guys from the Pornig Garage, their H-Ray wheel. The model was the Classic 300 or Classico 300 by Hara. If you want to know more about the wheel, or perhaps buy or see other wheels, you can find them at Carlinho's store, Pornig Garage. They also have an Instagram page. If you'd like to know more about this wheel, it's there. I'll share a photo here of the car with this wheel. It's similar to my second set of wheels. My second set of wheels were directly from the wheel set. They were excellent partners on this project. They gave us a very appealing price for BBS LM replicas. Many of you are already familiar with this wheel. I'll share a few photos of the wheel and also how they look attached to the car. Back to the first set of wheels, the Huri ones, they were offset. Offset, for those who don't know, is how far the wheel sticks out from the fender. It's not the width of the wheel, but how far it protrudes. They are different things, and it's important you keep this in mind. Many think that the width of the wheel indicates how much it sticks out from the fender, but they're not the same. The offset is how far the wheel sticks out from the center of the wheel hub and how close it sits to the fender. The H3 wheels had 18-inch rims. All three of the wheel sets we've had were 18 inches. I've tried different tire configurations with these wheels. Let's go into the specifics of the first set of wheels. It was a 9-inch wheel or Tala Nueve, so it was pretty wide. Since it was a wide wheel, the offset was 35, so it sat further out, as you'll see in the photos. Now onto the second set of wheels. As I said before, the guys were great with us and gave us a good price on the BBS LM replicas. We kept them on the car for some time. They were silver with a polished edge. Later we refurbished them. We made the center gray but kept the silver polished edge. The LM wheels were offset 30, so they stuck out considerably. They even almost hit the car's fender, they protruded so much. They had two widths, 8.5 at the front and 9.5 at the back. These were the widest wheels we've had on this car so far. Believe it or not, I think the limit this car can handle is a width of 9.5 inches with an offset of 30. That's the maximum you can have without damaging the fender. Those wheels were also 18 inches. The front tire configuration we used was 2, 3, 5, 40, 18. At the back, we used wider tires because they were 9.5 inches. We used the 2.5, 5, 35, 18 tire, which is quite wide. Usually we always used it in the 3-wheel configurations, always with Hankook brand tires, the Ventos 512 model. It's a tire that I recommend 100% to everyone. It provides value for money, which is very worth it for a tire that I really liked. I'm already on my third set and I have had zero problems. They have it in the Oro 18 model and in the Oro 19 model at the sports car store. There is a wide variety of models, including mine, which I'm going to show you, as well as a lot more models. So they have wheels for every car type, for every style, for those who prefer to ride low or ride high. for those who use air suspension, for those who like wheel that sticks out too far from the fender, for those who like the wheel sticks out into the fender. There's a replica from Oz, a replica from BBS. So check out Sport Cars and Wheels on Instagram to take a look. I'm going to show you this wheel model here. As you can see, it's a very beautiful model. There are many replicas on the market, but this one sold with the sports car and wheels is the most perfect replica we have found. It comes with the BBS logo in the center. It says Forge on the edge, and another interesting feature you will see is that it has these holes here in the middle of the spokes, which not all brands that try to replicate can imitate. Brands trying to replicate these wheels often don't have these holes. What happens a lot is that I know there is another model which is the previous version. This one is very similar, but it's the version that BBS launched before this one, which indeed has no such holes. This wheel is 18 inches, its offset is 38 if I'm not mistaken, so it's an offset further into the fender, but in my opinion it looks very good. The 18-inch rim and the tires we're using is the Ventos 512 Evo 2 brand. I think this time 235/40/18 looks good because it doesn't show too much tire. Having a very low tire profile for those who like to ride very low is bad if you're going to accelerate on a track day, because the tire bends when you accelerate, when you turn, and when you use a tire too low, what generally happens is that the wheel touches the ground and ruins the edge of the wheel. So here we have a safe height so as not to damage the wheel in a hole, to prevent the wheel from touching the ground on a track day or in various types of use. This wheel fits very well. It's neither too far out nor too far inside the fender. In my opinion, it looks great on the car, doesn't need a spacer, it fits perfectly here in the fender. That's it for those who want to buy a wheel, or want to set up a car stereo, or even want to buy a spring. They also sell ABAC springs there. So for those who want to buy, they have them ready for delivery. Sorry guys, my nose is a bit bad. I'm experiencing some allergies. However, they have e-bag springs there. They can also source springs from other brands. They have many items ready for delivery, and their store offers top-notch prices. They even offer installment plans with great rates, and they make sales through Mercado Libre to use your card. You're welcome to visit the store in person and purchase directly from them. They have a physical storefront, and the customer service there is a perfect 10. You can't improve on their service. It's always excellent. There's a most attentive fellow, and the products are top quality, which is the most important. On another note, I could be mistaken, but if I'm not, they ship the wheels all over Brazil via courier, not using the postal service. The cost of shipping isn't too steep either. So anyone wanting to purchase a set of cool wheels or build a car stereo, buy sport springs, or even visit the store in person, they can have the tire mounted on the wheel and your car balanced right there. Thus you can visit and leave with the car wheels installed. I'm not completely certain about the springs, but I believe they handle those installations in store as well. Alongside this, they cater to sound projects, automotive sound, whether it be in a pickup or standard car. If you're looking to install a unique, impressive sound system in your vehicle, they can take care of the entire automotive sound project for you. And as I've been saying, their service is impeccable. We only endorse high-quality products in places with exceptional customer service. If you've ever purchased a VCDS course from me or any other product, you're aware of the exemplary service I provide. I only point customers to brands that are equally as attentive. Brands that respond to queries, send photos, that genuinely have the customer's best interest in mind. Because a well-treated customer will recommend you to 20, 30 other people. A well-treated customer, a customer who you assist with all questions and really aid them in making a purchase, is a customer who will always return and who will always recommend you. Thus, I only recommend stores that I trust and have previously done business with, or that are sponsors of mine. I am confident that many of the customers who have already been there and found them through this channel were also very satisfied with their service. Great people. So that's it. If you liked the video, hit like, share, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment for us if you are in the market for car wheels, the type you want to buy. What is the model you're looking to buy? Is your search proving easy or difficult? Check out their Instagram, see all the wheel models they have available. Also, take a look at their prices. I guarantee you they will be fair. They have an extensive range of wheels, nearly infinite. Of course, it can't be infinite, but it's almost there.